today I'm talking about the BMW i3, the full electric BMW 3 Series that's only available in China. It comes with a single motor with 286 horsepower, 6.2 seconds to 60, and a 326 mile CLTC EV range rating, and top speed of 111 miles per hour. And of course, it's rear wheel drive only. Standard features include a 14.9-inch touchscreen and a 12.3-inch instrument panel with latest BMW iDrive 8, ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, adaptive air suspension, and a 17-speaker sound system, 360-degree surround view cameras, and more standard features are there as well. So overall, why it's not sold in outside China is a mystery for me, but then this should perfectly complement the BMW i4, the full electric BMW 4 Series Grand Coupe. And compared to its rivals like the Tesla Model 3 and the Polestar 2, it's certainly miles better, and there is no question about that regards to the BMW i3. But is it better than the BMW i4? In my opinion, yes. I think it looks better than the BMW i4, and it's more practical on the inside as well. And the model that they're selling in China is the eDrive 35L. It's based on the long wheelbase BMW 3 Series. If you don't know, in China, they sell long wheelbase versions of everything, not just in cars like the S-Class or the 7 Series, something you all should know. Prices wise, if it were to be sold in the US, it will cost around $55,000 to start from. So again, that's a good price for me, with all due respect. So overall, this is a car that BMW should sell in North America. I think it will be a hit, and I think it will do better than the BMW i4. But again, I love the i4 very much. I think it's a good car, but for me, this is the class leader if the i4 and this were both sold. So thank you very much. Join me on the show.